This staking platform was introduced previously and lots of people took advantage of it. So many people were asking how long is it going to last, how long is it going to last. I've actually seen that this has actually lasted for some couple of weeks. So I actually want to let you know that this particular platform is a long-term staking platform which you can take advantage of today. Okay, so what I'll be doing for those that are new to this platform is to walk you through on how the platform works. For those that already know how this platform works, you can keep enjoying the benefits of this platform. Now, in exchange of what you'll be getting in this video, all I ask from you is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification. So whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch, YouTube is going to send you a notification. Okay, so right now let me take you to my screen and show you how the platform works step by step. Now, for the purpose of those that are just seeing this platform for the first time, to sign up, all you have to do is to put in a registered email address right here. Put in a login password. I always recommend you put in a password you will always remember. Come right here and put in your security password. Now, this security password will be asked whenever withdrawals are made on your account. Then come right here and click on register. Then your account will be created automatically on this platform. So I'm going to rightly log into my account right now. So what I'm going to do right now is to input my details right here so I can easily log into my account, and I'm going to be showing you how you can get advantage of this platform. And so right now I have inputted all my details. The next thing I want to do is to click on login. So once I log into my account right now, I'm just going to be showing you how this works. Okay, now you can actually see that Invest Wallet, I have 20 USDT on my account, that is $20. Now, what I just need to do with this $20 is to invest, and what I invest is what I'm going to be getting in rebate income every single day. Okay, so right now you can actually see that my total staked is 0 and my brokerage wallet is 0. So what I just need to do is to come down under where it says add to staking, and I'm going to be changing this particular pledge amount to 20, meaning I'm using the 20 USD I have on my account, and I'm going to come right here and input 30 because I actually want to end this in 30 days, that is a month. Now, when you come down right here, you're going to see that per day I'm going to be getting 13% of my income, and in 24 hours I'm going to be getting 2.60 USDT. Awesome. Now, in 30 days I should be making 78 USDT on my account. This is actually wonderful. So what I'm going to do right now is to come right here and click on staking. And so what I click on staking is going to ask me to confirm this, and I'm going to click on confirm. So once I click on confirm, you can actually see success. So right now when you come right here, you're going to see the breakdown of what you're going to be getting right on this platform. Daily income is 2.60 USDT. So when you come right here, you're going to be seeing under active contracts, you can actually see that I have the amount I staked, the number of days, and the profit I'm going to be getting, the starting and the ending date. So this is actually how this platform works. So for you that want to get started on this platform, all you have to do is to come down to recharge, because you need to recharge your account before you start anything you want to do on this platform. Now, these are the networks right on this platform. You either go for any of which. So once you click on any of these, you're going to be getting a wallet address right here. Go ahead to copy the wallet address. So once you copy this wallet address, you are going to be funding your account according to the actual income you want to be getting. So this is actually your choice. Choose how you want to do your income. So you can go ahead to invest 10 USD on your account, and it will be breaking down the profit for you on your account. Now, before you can go ahead to fund your account, you can go over this one reminder so you can know what you need to do to fund your account. So once that has reflected on your account, the next thing you want to do is to come over to your account, then come down under this particular add to staking, then input the actual amount. Let me say you want to invest 10 USD. You can come down right here and input the number of days, and you're going to be seeing the breakdown right here and total breakdown right on this platform. Okay, so right now your daily income will be shown here, explaining what you need to be getting every 24 hours. Now, to actually maximize your earnings, you can also come over to your account right here, come down to referral program. You're going to be seeing your affiliate link right here. Copy your affiliate link and share with your friends, and you're going to be getting a rebate income from the earnings of your friends you have actually invited on this platform. So once you successfully staked on your account, your generated income is going to appear on your account every 24 hours, just like the way you're seeing my 2.60 USD. Now, to place withdraw, all I just have to do is to come over to withdraw. So once you click on withdraw, you're going to be brought into the next interface, which is this. Now you can actually see that you can withdraw using the BEP20 USDT, the TRX, the BNB. So whichever way that actually interests you, you can go for it. But at this point, I have decided to go for BNB. Okay, so right now what I'm going to do is to come right here and paste the wallet address of my BNB. and I'm going to click on all, which is the 2.60 USDT. So I'm going to put in my password. Okay, so make sure your password is correct, because this is the password you actually inputted when setting your account. Okay, after inputting your details and the password, you can actually see that there is no tax, no handling fee for the withdrawal charge. This is actually totally free for withdrawals. Okay, so just come right here and click on confirm withdrawal, and once you click on confirm withdrawal, you are going to be seeing that this is a withdrawal success. So that's how you can use this particular platform and start making some extra income for yourself every single day. And so thank you for watching. This is an opportunity for you. Don't always miss opportunities when they come to you. Okay, however, I hope you got value from this video, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. Always do well to join my social media platform, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I will give you videos and also show you some specific ways you can use to put your online earnings in today's world. See you on my next video, and keep winning.